Okay, in this video, we're reviewing Virtual Lab number 1, the sugar molarity in soda. This will be worth 20 points of classwork and due the following week. So our objective in this lab is to determine which drink contains the greatest amount of sugar per liter of a solution by determining the molarity of the sugar solution. So part A is looking for label data. So you're going to be comparing your sample to my drink, which is San Pellegrino, prickly pear, and orange, which has 27 grams. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using brisk iced tea for it. And when I look on the label for brisk iced tea, I see that it has 17 grams of sugar for it. Now you can look at labels of drinks in your house or go to the internet or attached to this in Google Classroom. I give you 4 different options to choose from. So these are the 4 options you can choose from. You'll see that Pepsi has 41 grams. You'll see that our Canada Dry has 32 grams. Coca-Cola has 39 grams. And Mountain Dew has a whopping 46 grams for it. So choose one of these options and follow along the math with me. So part B says grams to mole conversion. So we first have to find the molar mass of sugar. Sugar's formula is up here, so I'll write it a little bigger, C12H22 and O11. So we'll see that C has 12, H has 22, and O has 11. Then we're going to use the decimals we see on the periodic table, and we can round it to the nearest 2 decimal places for it. So we're going to have 12.01 for carbon, 1.01 for hydrogen, and 16 for oxygen. So for our first one, we're going to have 144.12. For our second, we're going to have 22.22, and 11 times 16 would give us 176. So then it says to find the molar mass, we need to find the total. So we need our calculator out and ready to go to add 144.12 plus 22.22 plus 176 for it. So your answer, depending on how you should round, should be near 342.34. Now, we haven't done the conversion yet. We now have the molar mass of sugar, and if we remember, our drink had 17 grams of sugar. How we found that is that we got it from the label, and then we looked at how much the sugar was for it. So now it says I converted the 27 grams of sugar. So I have my given for my fact. I'm going to type it in or fill it in. And then I need my 1 mole on top. And then I need the molar mass of sugar here, which we just found was 342.34. So we multiply the top, we get 17. Then we have 342.34 here. So we're going to do 17 divided by that large molar mass. And we get a long decimal, 0.04965. 8, 2, and so forth. So count over 1, 2, will 6 round 9 up? Yes, so we're going to have 0.050, and that's going to give us moles of sugar. So now we have our moles. To get to molarity, we need to convert our can from milliliters to liters. So when I look at my can, I see that it's 355 ml. So I'm going to have 355 ml here per 1,000 ml to get it to liter here. So we're going to do 355 divided by 1,000, and we'll see that we get 3.355 liters. So now we have the moles, which we just found was 0.50 mole. We just found our liter, which is 0.355 liter. So now we can find molarity. So we're going to have 0.50 mole per 355 liters. So we take that mole amount, 0.5, divided by 355, and we see we get 0.14 rounded to 2 sig figs. So then use your concluding statement, just needs a complete statement, and compare your molarity to my molarity. So ask yourself, well, which one was greater, the example given or your can? And then which sample had more moles of sugar? So we can look here for the moles and then tell me which one had more moles. So hopefully this helped you go through your lab, molarity of sugar in